Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ollie, and today I want to talk something really interesting. That's what happened now here in China. Today is our National Day. So this week is our National Week, and trust me, it's a big deal. Look at my back here. Basically, the entire country goes on vacation at the same time. Imagine millions and millions of people all traveling, shopping, eating out, and celebrating together. The atmosphere is crazy, right? National Week is one of the two biggest national holidays of the year here in China. The other one, of course, is Chinese New Year. But while Chinese New Year is more about family reunions and traditions, National Week feels more like a nationwide party. Streets are decorated, scenic spots are parked, and everywhere just feels so lively. So, in this video, I want to give you a real test of what it's like here in Hangzhou during this holiday. I thought about it, and I came up with 3 things I have to experience. Number 1, I'm going to the most festival street in the city, the one with all the lights, flags, and decorations. Number 2, I will throw myself right into the holiday crowds. If you have heard stories about how packed China gets during National Week, well, I will show you what that really looks. And number 3, I will end the night by catching a spectacular light show by the river. So, yeah, today's going to be fun. Grab a snack, sit back, and let's kick things off. So, for the first activity, I wanted to find the most festival decorations. Let's start right here in my neighborhood. As soon as you step outside, you can already feel the holiday vibe. The entrance gate is lined with little national flags, and there are red lanterns hanging by the community gate. Even the small garden here has trees wrapped with small lanterns. It's not super fancy, but it feels warm and familiar, like everyone in the neighborhood is celebrating together. But of course, that's just the local feeling. To really see the festival spirit, you have to head downtown. Looks crazy, right? But that's the National Day. For the second activity, of course, I have to face the holiday crowds. And if you are in Hangzhou, the number 1 place for that is Westlake. I actually planned to go there this time, but I couldn't. The government's social media account even announced that Westlake was over capability, which basically means too many people don't go. They announced that several times these 2 days. So yeah, I stayed away. But I still find some videos online to show you, and you can see just how crazy it gets. I've been there many times before with my family or with my friends, so I know the feeling. It gets so crowded that sometimes you can only move forward inch by inch, like you are part of a giant parade. Honestly, it can be a little overwhelming, but at the same time, it's also kind of exciting. You really feel holiday energy. For people in China, this is pretty normal during National Week. Everyone has time off, and of course, they want to travel, visit famous spots, and spend time with family. That's why we even have a saying in Chinese: people mountain, people sea. In English, you'd probably just say it's super crowded, or sometimes people even say packed like sardines, right? Which means everyone is squeezed together, just like fish in a can. It's a funny image, right? But honestly, that's exactly how it feels at Westlake during the holiday. So, yeah, if you ever come to China during the National Week, don't be surprised. The views are beautiful, but the real experience is also the crowds themselves. And now, the last one, the light show. Wow, look at this view. The buildings, the river, the reflections, and the colors. It's absolutely spectacular. It's more than just entertainment. For many people, it's a sample of modern China, a sign of pride, celebration, and creativity all at once. Check this out. They actually use the size of the skyscrapers like a huge screen, projecting animations, colorful patterns, even cartoons. It's like the city itself is alive and telling a story with lights. It feels almost magical, right? Standing here among the crowd, you can feel the energy of the city all around you. People are taking photos, laughing, pointing out their favorite designs, and just soaking in the atmosphere. The lights reflect on the river, the music plays softly, and the whole scene feels like a big festival. A spectacular light show like this is one of the highlights of National Week in our city. It's a way for people to enjoy themselves, feel the excitement, and experience the power and creativity of modern China. Watching the lights dance across the skyline is the perfect way to end the day. From the festival streets to the busy crowds to this magical light show, National Week in our city is really something you have to see and to believe. So, that was my National Day adventure here in China. From the festival decorations in the streets and neighborhoods to the bustling crowds and finally the incredible light show at night, right? It's been loud, exciting, and full of holiday energy. And you know what? Another big holiday is coming up soon. The Mid-Autumn Festival. This one is a bit different. Quieter and more about family, mooncakes, and enjoying time together. In my next video, I will show you that side of Chinese culture and give you a peek into how people celebrate it at home. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest holiday in your country and how do people celebrate it? Share your stories in the comments. In the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in my next video. I'm Ollie. Bye bye.